Aloha mai kako. My name is Kalani Heinz. My pronouns are she and they, and I'm a doctoral candidate in Hawaiian archaeology. My research focuses on making archaeology more equitable. Specifically, I advocate for archaeology as activism. I specifically focus on water rights in Hawaii. I used to love Indiana Jones as a kid. Actually, one Christmas, my parents bought me the whole series. While this got me a little bit interested in archaeology, I never thought I could be an archaeologist because I didn't like history. I wouldn't actually categorize Indiana Jones as an archaeologist. Rather, I would classify him as a treasure hunt or antiquarian. The difference is that archaeologists ask questions about the past and use methods like excavation or consultation of historical documents in order to understand the past a little bit better. They don't just look for buried treasure. So if you're familiar with places like Egypt, you might think of the tombs and lots of gold. But we don't actually have that. A lot of our artifacts are badly degraded because of the low pH in the soil. But I think what's most treasured to me is being able to think about and see how my ancestors may have lived on the landscape in olden times. I think the most important thing is hydration. I bought a Camelback not too long ago, and I think it was one of the most helpful things with making sure I stay hydrated without packing too much weight in the field. It is also important to have a good, sharp trowel. And this is because you want to form nice, clean walls when you excavate. It's actually really funny, we don't have snakes in Hawaii. We do, on the other hand, have mongoose and cane spiders. But I think the equivalent to snakes in Hawaii would be centipedes. I've definitely jumped on a chair with a trowel in my hand in order to get away from one of them. I think the most important thing that I would want to teach Indiana Jones is how to do equitable and community-centered research. To me, that means challenging our own norms and biases and collaborating with the community so that we do not just form a research question that we get approval from by the community, but that we co-develop it together and that we co-develop a type of project that could be useful to community members.